From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening, CNET. I'm student meteorologist Filippo Formica here with your Tuesday evening forecast. Taking a look back on the day at Beaver Stadium, it was a wet one out there. Over an inch of rain has fallen, or at least close to that, in State College today, and just a really ugly picture out there. The rain really hasn't stopped for very long, a little bit here in the early afternoon to mid-afternoon hours. But we've been seeing this rain all across the state of Pennsylvania today. Looking at our current conditions, you can see plenty of clouds and plenty of rain in the state. A little bit of a higher temperature map here out to the west, and that could impact some severe weather that could be moving in later this evening here, especially in southwestern most Pennsylvania. But we do see some of those showers starting to move off here on our radar and satellite imagery. Did just have some very heavy rain moving through much of the central and now the eastern portion of the Commonwealth. That seems to be moving off, and we do see a bit of clearing here in Pittsburgh, starting to move into Johnstown. Now, we are watching a severe weather threat in these areas, so if we do see the sun peak out here, that is going to aid those severe storms later this evening. So that is definitely something to watch out for as we move into the evening hours here. So let's take a look here at the rest of this system. You can see a very dominant low pressure on the eastern half of the country. Very strong low pressure at that, moving in some more showers and storms here, and we could see some more thunderstorms starting to pop up here in Illinois, Indiana later this evening, and we could see a line of thunderstorms moving in later today. We'll go over more of that in just a second here. But let's take a look here at how much rain has fallen through noon today. University Park, just 0.05 of an inch off of 1 inch. Johnstown over an inch, 1.27, and we have Connellsville and Reedsville just over a half an inch. So let's move things into the future here. You can see those showers and thunderstorms starting to move in, and even later on this evening, we're seeing more of these storms, especially moving into early Wednesday here with just a lot of that moderate to heavy rainfall. Most of the state is under a flood watch, so if you are looking at this map, you can see why a lot of heavy rainfall has already fallen and a lot is still on the way moving through Wednesday. Now, as we go into Thursday, we could see some snow starting to peak back in, especially in the higher elevations, where those temperatures will be just a bit cooler. The northern tier of the Commonwealth, even the Poconos, could pick up a few inches depending on how these bands set up for that snowfall here. So moving through Thursday, still cloudy. Those temperatures very chilly compared to this time of the year, 39 in State College. And as we move through, we'll see things start to rebound a bit. But look at how much rain we are still expecting here between now and Friday at 3 o'clock in the morning. Even 3 inches of rain still expected in Philadelphia, and 2.13 inches here still in State College after already accumulating almost an inch. So let's take a look here tonight. Still going to be dealing with that heavy rain. Some thunder possible as those storms roll through. 42 degrees your low with 10 to 15 mile an hour winds gusting to 20. If we do see some of those storms, could see gusts even higher than that. Tomorrow, heavy rainfall, high of 47 with those winds still 10 to 15 miles an hour. Could gust up to 25. And as we move into our 7-day here, you can see how this unsettled pattern is going to continue into the weekend here. But the actual weekend going to be getting progressively better. Spring returns on Sunday, 57 degrees. And for our eclipse day on Monday, going to be mostly sunny, 61 degrees. And on Tuesday, much warmer, 64 degrees. So something to look forward to after this dreary stretch here in the Commonwealth. That's all I have. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.